How to filter and organize Yahoo email. So if you want to filter and organize Yahoo email, then what you need to do is first you need to just make sure that you have a stable internet connection and open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then search for Yahoo. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.yahoo.com, which will lead you to this kind of page. You need to just simply go with sign in, which will be in the top right, and then sign into your account. Once you've signed in, click on the mail section right here and it will take you to your Yahoo mail. Once you're on your Yahoo mail, now to filter and organize your Yahoo email, you need to go with the profile option, which will be in the top right, and then just simply go with settings. Or you can go with the left side section, and here you will have more option. Go with more, and here you will have your settings. You need to just click on settings. Once you click on the settings here on the left side, you will have a filters option. You need to just go with filters, and then you will be able to add your filters and organize your emails. So go with add, which will be in the right side, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now think of a name that reflects the purpose of the filter, helping you to recognize it at a glance. It could be the name of the project, a person, or anything relevant. Next comes setting the filter criteria. In this step, define what happens or what types of emails you want in this filter to catch. You can set the criteria, like for example, I go with does not contain and then enter a filter value. After defining your filter criteria, it's time to choose whether where these filtered emails should go. You can select from existing folders, or if it's a comparatively new category, create a new folder. Finally, don't forget to save your filter. Once saved, this filter will automatically manage incoming emails according to the rules that you've just established. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep your Yahoo inbox neat and organized. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.